In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly how we help local small businesses run a referral system that compounds, and you can decide if it makes sense for your business. My name is John. I'm the founder of Contractor Automated Business Development. Ads and paid leads are unpredictable. Referrals aren't. We help local businesses build real human connections that can replace pay per lead services and create recurring work. If you grow through networking, if you've been in BNI, a chamber, or simply value word of mouth and referrals, this is for you. Who are your best referral partners right now? Maybe it's realtors, property managers, insurance agents, maybe it's homeowners associations, multifamily complexes, home inspectors, or other contractors. Whoever they are, those relationships are the lifeblood of your business, and building those relationships takes time. You've got jobs to run, clients to serve, and a business to manage. You know, referral leads are the best, but you don't have the bandwidth to cold call, network all day, or chase meetings. At Contractor Automated, we act as your business development outreach department. My team literally picks up the phone and calls local professionals on your behalf, people who often need the services you provide. The goal of the program is to introduce you to people who need your services all the time, people who can send you work for the next 10, 15, even 20 years. We make 400 plus outbound calls split into 2 rounds each month. Rinse and repeat every 2 weeks. All human, no AI, no robocalls, no spammy scripts. We introduce you, your business, what you do, what you offer, what makes you different. And then we ask one simple question: would they be open to a short 10-minute introduction call to talk referrals and a potential partnership? When they say yes, you get a text alert and we book it directly on your calendar. Now you're having a warm conversation with someone who already knows who you are, what you do, and what you offer. And more importantly, they know the purpose of the call: to actually use your services and partner with you in business. You show up, be yourself, talk about your business, ask about theirs, see how you can help each other. We track two types of connections. Level one connections are your hot ones. They've already booked time to speak with you. Level two connections are people who said, I'm interested, send me an email first, and gave permission for you to follow up by phone at your earliest convenience. On average, our clients receive 8 to 16 new, meaningful local connections every 2 weeks. You start by filling out an onboarding form, which tells us about you, your territory, and who your ideal referral partners are. Within 2 business days, everything is set up. Within 1 to 2 weeks, we start round one and we're live. From there, you'll receive text alerts, calendar invites, and clear reporting after every round of calls, showing who we called, who said yes, and who wants to meet you. We open the doors, but you still have to walk through them. Your job will be to take the calls, send follow up emails, stop by their office, deliver business cards, and build trust. If you do that, this system will pay for itself many times over, and you'll build a referral network that compounds month after month. One of our clients, Josh from Painter Bros, put it simply: the system works. We landed 3 jobs and multiple estimates from property managers and real estate agents in our first month. We only work with one business per category per market, and once a spot is taken, it's gone. So if this sounds like something you want to add to your business, more referrals, strong partnerships, and growth without ad spend, here's what to do next. Sign up at contractorautomated.com and you'll be guided to complete the onboarding form. Once you do, our team will reach out within 48 hours to set up your campaign and schedule your first round of calls. Growth becomes recurring, and your business becomes more valuable.